these lashes are so easy to put on, and I can't believe that I'm wearing lashes that quick. If you're like me who hates putting on eyelashes but likes the eyelash effect, that big lashes, because they're so pretty, but you're lazy and you don't like to put it on, put the glue and be messy, this is for you. This is easy and not messy at all. It's like just putting on your eyeliner, putting your lashes, skipping the glue, skipping that mess. This is for you. This is the Glamnetic, the Style in Lush lash. I'm wearing it right now and it's so pretty. They're premium magnetic eyelashes, and I could compare this with Lily lashes. They're very luxe. These lashes are luxe lashes. They're not cheap like other brands. They're very nice. I think that these are mink lashes. Grab your lashes now. I'll put the information in my description box. You can use my code SWATCHQUEEN to get 10% discount. I believe that lashes are $29.99 and the eyeliners are $37.99. They also have a gel liner in the pot. If you guys want to try Glamnetics, I highly recommend these, and it actually works. I tried those other magnetic lashes that you put on between your lash that didn't work, and that's a big no-no. But these work. These, I guarantee you guys, this work, and it's so easy. If you don't know how to push lashes using the glue, try this and let me know. Let me know if you like it, because I bet you will. I also don't like when I use the eyelash glue and it's time to remove it, and when you strip off the lashes, your natural lashes would come off the glue. I hate that. And I know a lot of people that wear eyelashes and put on the glue, their lashes come off. It just gets caught up. Your lashes are gone. So this is not like that, and it's not gonna happen because it's magnetic. It has 6 tiny magnets that's attached on your eyeliner. How cool is that? I know some brands has like 3 magnets and it doesn't work because one would come off like that, but this one has 6, so it doesn't move. It doesn't budge. No, so it won't move. They're so pretty. These lashes are mink lashes. They're luxurious. They're premium. I can compare them to Lily lashes, which is so expensive, but this one is magnetic and easy to use. So I can just like remove it right now, like that, and I can put it back again. Easy. What happened? It's right there. Easy. I love these lashes. So go check them out. Check out the website. Check out my description box. Use my code SWATCHQUEEN. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Get to your Glamnetic. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. This one is Lush, and I also have two more. This is Love right here, and it looks like this. This is more natural and daytime look, everyday look. This one is Lust. Lust has that cute spikes. This one is for glamour too. Lush, the one I'm wearing, is the thickest and biggest one. You have a choice. They're very nice. I highly recommend these. Like, I swear, this is really good. I've never used eyelashes like this. And I have a lot of eyelashes. I have all the brands and I've tried them all, and I'm a makeup artist and I put them on my clients. So try them, Glamnetic. I promise you, it's not gonna be a waste and you're gonna love it. All right, for my giveaway, I'm gonna give away this Huda Beauty palette. It is the Mauve Obsessions. This could be yours. Join my giveaway. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below your Instagram handle. Also, just say hi. Good luck to you guys, and I hope you win. Alright guys, that's it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. See you on my next video. Bye!